Assalamualaikum friends, here is some templates about football flares. These were made in AI and PSD, but these are protected password in this app. Write Sheri SK on Google Play Store. By now a lifetime iPhone user can contact me on my WhatsApp number. Here is my Facebook page and last is my Telegram channel. Sheri SK official. I will provide every notification of video first here. Okay. You see here you can change everything. Here is a flares and here is a typhoid 1 and typhoid 2. Okay, for example open this one. Okay, I know you can edit everything. Okay, here is your logo. Oh, that's mean these are fully editable. Here is the background. Okay, now these are CMYK color for printable. Same thing here. That's mean you can change everything right here. 2023, not 2022. Okay, here is AI files for Google Illustrator and here is it JPG just for preview. I hope these are useful for you. Download this app for password and here is my Telegram channel. Take care, Allah Hafiz.